Hello everyone. Welcome to bitsgate. If you want to know how to create an instance, watch our previous video. In this video, we will learn how to host our web project in our AWS EC2 server. First, connect to your server via EC2 Instance Connect or SSH. Here, we will use EC2 Instance Connect. The connection is successfully established. Now, let's install Apache 2, a HTTP server project. After that, change the directory to the HTML folder. Inside the HTML folder you will find a file named index. Edit that file. Below, as we can see that the file is unwritable, hence we need to change to superuser to write that file. Now, try to edit that file. Clear the content, and let's use this file to develop a simple HTML page as our web project. Now, check the status of Apache. It's active. Let's restart the Apache and recheck the status. Copy the public IPv4 address and open in the browser. As you all can see, our web project is hosted successfully. We hope this video was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.